Okay, guys. I have this little boy here. His name is Munachi. So he's just 5 years old. 5 years old. When I say there is dignity in labor, you will not understand. I love what the parents of this boy is doing. Look at how small he is. He's the one walking my bike. This is my small bike that I used to move around in the street. He's the one walking it. Now, I want to interview this boy because I want everyone out there watching this video to be an encouragement to this small boy. Munachi, how are you? Hello, Didi. We will use Igbo. We are using Igbo language, then I will translate. We are using Igbo language, then I will translate for those that doesn't understand Igbo language. Now, this guy is based in the east, in where we call Umuaka, in Imo State. It's still local government. Now, as you can see in the video, they are workmen. There are so many boys, so many of them there. Look, everybody, come here. So many of them, young boys, working. These children choose. These children choose to be useful to their parents. They learn this work and they are making money. And they are making money out of it. Now, how old are you? Yanso. Munachi, how old are you? How old are you? A lot for you. 5 years? 6 years? Yes. Okay, he said he's 6 years old. So, I'm asking him who put him in the work. I said, China. If you get to China, you will see that there are kids like this. Children of 10 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 11 years, 15 years, upwards. Dealing on motor automobiles. They are in charge of fixing cars, fixing trucks, even fixing phones, fixing bikes. You understand? So I think this boy is doing the right thing. The father has done a good thing to put this boy in this work. Now, he said whenever he makes money, he will give to the mom to save. He will give to the mom to save for him for his school fees and his books in school. This is what we call dignity in labor. Gone are those days when parents allowed children to waste around. Gone are those days. If you are the parent today, once your child is of age, like at least from 7 years, 8 years, 10 years, look for a good skill to attach that boy or that little child to, so that with time he will grow and get used to it. You understand? Like this, what this young boy is doing now, fixing this motorbike. Just give this boy to the age of 15. It will do wonders. It will do wonders. I bet. So, those of you out there that want to appreciate this boy and encourage him, you are free to appreciate him anyhow you want it. You can request for the parents' number so you can reach out to them, or through me we can reach out to the parents and get number to appreciate this guy. Nothing is too big. So let's just encourage him. Thank you so much.